We guide you through how to recover removed folder in a Google Drive quickly and safely. First thing you need to do is open the Google Drive app on your iPhone or go to the website on a browser and log in. Next, tap or click the trash or bin in the sidebar to see deleted files and folders. Then, look for the folder you want to recover, then select it and tap Restore. The folder will immediately return to its original location in your drive along with all its files. Keep in mind that the items in trash are automatically deleted after 30 days, so it's important to restore them from promptly. Then, method ensures your removed folders and their contents are safely recovered without any data loss.